Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas.
A private house is not just a residential building, but also a dream for most people. Unfortunately, many pay attention only to the main building, forgetting about the territory around it. In fact, creating a harmonious image of the courtyard located around the house is not just an attempt to refine the landscape, but also an opportunity to create a unique site that attracts and pleases both guests and household members. It does not matter whether the landlord decided to ennoble the site to professional designers or do it with his own hands. You need to know the subtleties of your design. As mentioned earlier, the external entourage of the courtyard plays a significant role, as it is seen not only by the household but also by their guests. In this regard, it is important that the atmosphere of the backyard contributes to rest and pleasant pastime, creates a sense of coziness and comfort. When planning a plot, it is important to consider the location of flower beds, building, and decorative elements. It is important that the yard is attractive not only in summer but also looked harmoniously at any time of the year. Having identified the key elements of the yard, you need to create a scheme specifying its scale. On the plot plan, the location and direction of the garden paths connecting the functional zones are determined, among which a playground located in an open and well-viewed area, parking for cars, recreation area, vegetable garden, greenhouse, flower beds and reservoirs and other elements. Only after drawing up a plan can you proceed to its implementation. At the same time, the homeowner may face the problem of delineating functional zones. To divide the space into harmonious combination, you can use arcs with climbing plants, small shrubs that create green fences, a low fence, wooden, plastic or wicker, stationary or portable screens made of vine, bamboo or rattan.
How do you look these awesome ideas? We would love to hear from you.
A garden in a retro style reminds the owner of a summer cottage about the events of bygone years. The style will help to put things in order, arrange old things and give them a second life, so that they create a certain mood in the territory. Retro style in a summer cottage is a large number of cozy, relaxing elements or landscape design of a summer cottage. To create such an atmosphere, classic decorative elements are used. Benches with forged inserts. Cast iron lanterns with a classic dome. Trellised wooden arbors which are covered with ivy. Awnings on forged supports which are installed above benches or swings. Arches and pergolas with spectacular forged elements. Numerous narrow garden paths that imitate and bold forest paths. At the same time, it's absolutely not necessary to use all the rules for decorating a site in a retro style. It should look like it has been upgraded over the years. In every detail, the features of the development of the family must be visible, since the change of generations inevitably affects the appearance of the summer cottage. But at the same time, it is important to emphasize family traditions that are passed down from generation to generation. In the coming year, the trend continues in favor of natural landscapes. In your beautiful and practical garden, ecology should come first. We preserve local plants, minimize the waste of natural resources, and use natural materials. Use soft cover. The time for paving slabs is running out. If you have not yet equipped your paths, then you pay attention to the options for wood chips or stony screenings. Grassy paths also look great, they're also called live. They really enliven the landscape and make it more natural. You can also sow perennials between the seams of any cover. The wider the indentation from one plate to another, the greater the choice of plants that can be appealed. With the help of such paths, smooth transitions to the main flower beds are created, and the territory looks like a single whole. Limit water use. Thus you can save water, electricity, and your time. The main water sinks are large lawns that need regular watering. Do not give large areas for them and replace the beautifully flowering and popular petunias, surfenants, and begonias with less moisture-loving plants. Lavender practically does not need watering, and in terms of decorativeness, it is no way inferior. Make one or more gravel zones. Gravel can be used for arranging a recreation area or parking. Against the background of gravel backfill, many plants look spectacular. A variety of stone crops go well with such a coating. With the help of gravel of different shades and drought-resistant plants, several gravel gardens can be set up. By the way, they have already begun to actively crowd out the once popular alpine slides. Another option for using this natural material is dry streams. Located in the right place, they look stylish on their own, and they can also be used to zone the site and mass communications. Give your garden a touch of carelessness. Trends in architecture dictate their own rules to landscape design. Important and high-tech styles are gradually disappearing, so smooth lines, simple and cozy forms are welcome in the landscape. Try to keep the plants that are already on your site as much as possible. This is especially true for houses that are located near the forest. Save the plants of the lower tier, do not touch the ground cover. But remember that slight neglect is only a carefully thought-out decoration and not your attitude to the garden. Plant a vegetable garden. Be sure to allocate space for several beds. Probably everyone already knows that the garden can be decorative, so do not be afraid that such a decision will make your site less attractive. In addition to fresh greens and vegetables, you will get the opportunity to change activities, as well as a time and place to work together with children. We would even recommend allocating small beds specifically for children and their garden experiments. Believe me, working in their own little garden, they will get a much greater understanding of the world around them and its processes than from the best textbooks. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.